New loan limits for all loan products have been announced, including the VA, and we're going to talk about today about exactly how that affects you as a veteran. Okay, now the new conforming loan limit, 726 200. Yeah, let me make sure it's right. 726 200, and how does that affect you? Those of you might not know that as of 2020, there is no VA loan limit if you have full entitlement. So you can buy a $3 million house, no money down, with your VA entitlement. Because it was the Blue Water Vietnam Veterans Act of 2019. It changed some things with Agent Orange benefits, but also changed the VA loan to give this great benefit. So if you're a first-time home buyer or you haven't used your VA benefit at all, it's an amazing opportunity to buy a lot of property, to buy a more expensive property using this very attractive financing. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Emmett Dempsey with Treasure Coast Mortgage here in Port Saint Lucie. So if you would, just go ahead and leave a like on this video. Wake up the YouTube robots, let them know you're still alive. If you want to leave a dislike, hey, cool. You do what you got to do. So and also go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know if you're a veteran looking to buy, any questions about your two VA loans, or if you used the full entitlement of the VA loan. I'd love to hear your story. So how does the new loan limit affect you? So first, a few things. A lot of your realtors and even your lenders might not even know that you don't have a loan limit. So you make sure your realtor understands when they make an offer for a VA on a jumbo property that the listing agent understands that there is no loan limit on a VA, because you'd be surprised that there's folks that still don't know that. Number two, even though there's no loan limit, it doesn't mean that the lenders are not going to account for risk of the loan size without adding some pricing add-ons. So the interest rates might be a little bit higher, or the discount points to get those rates might be a little bit higher as compared to a smaller VA loan. There are some lenders that won't even do them, or they'll do them with some pricing add-ons. And again, it's all lender to lender dependent. But for most times, they'll categorize it under what's called a jumbo VA loan. So you have to be just be aware of that. But the cost benefit of doing a $2 million 100% financing loan with no mortgage insurance outweigh any small pricing add-ons that you do. And I have multiple investors. We always shop the best rate as a broker to make sure you get the best loan that you can get as a veteran. So the conforming loan limit has been announced. And so what does that matter? Well, you're saying two different things, Emmett. So you're saying, okay, loan limit's this, but yet I have no loan limit. Well, if you're a veteran that might have had a prior foreclosure, you have some charge entitlement, like I said, you don't have full entitlement. So that new loan limit is going to affect you. Or if you're a veteran who has bought in the past, and you say, or you're PCSing somewhere else, or you've retired, you want to move to a different state. So it's the state you're moving to. That new loan limit is what's going to set the table for that new calculation. And I've done a few videos on my channel about two VA loans at the same time. You can go and check them out here, and you can check those out. So like I said, I'm a veteran. I got a VA loan. I bought my house with a VA loan. Actually, I bought my house conventional. I refied into a VA. So yeah. So when I actually bought my house conventional, because it was kind of like going to the table, and then when I refinanced to a VA, then I did a VA IRRRL into a very attractive interest rate that we have today. So which means I'm never leaving that house ever. So and I want to help out you and your family if you're a veteran looking to buy VA. Definitely give me a call. At this point in the video, I'm going to talk a lot about that 2 VA loan video, and you can go and check that out right here. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.